Hi, I want to show you my favorite mascara. I discovered the best mascara on the market many years ago, and I was able to buy it only in Europe. So it's Max Factor 2000 calorie dramatic volume. Yeah, so it says it's made in England. Yeah, made in England. Yeah, you trust me, it says it's made in England, and it's just outstanding. So I'll show you how it looks after 1 or 2 applications, and then finally I was able to find exactly the same mascara on Amazon. I ordered it a couple days ago, so I just received it. It's still in the package. I haven't opened it yet. So I'll show you how this mascara looks first, and then tomorrow I will apply my new mascara and we'll see if it's the same, if it's not fake, if it works the same way, and I will share the link so you can buy it as well, because I was looking for this mascara for many years in Canada with no luck. So let's see. So I actually don't have long lashes, and my lashes need volume. So this is the difference. Just after one application, these are my natural lashes, and these are lashes after just one application. The result is outstanding within seconds. So I can apply one more layer. I like them to look natural, but I like volume and length. So these are the lashes after two applications. Look at this. And it cost only like $10–12, and it looks much better than other very expensive brands. See the difference? Yeah. So I put it on my other. Luckily I only have 2 eyes, so only takes me maybe less than a minute to do my makeup in the morning. Why do women open their mouth when they put mascara on? It's a very interesting question. So these are my lashes within 1 minute. Okay, I'll be back and I will open this package tomorrow and we'll see the difference. Hopefully no difference. I'll open my new mascara today and we'll compare it to my old mascara that I bought in Europe. So it's sealed, so it came in the packaging. Not sure how to open it. No. Okay, my new mascara. I hope it's as great as my old one. Okay, I'll be opening it in front of you so you know. I hate these videos when people record the video and they pretend they don't. So they pretend they so it's the same video and then suddenly it looks like something different, and you never know if it's the same product they're showing or something different. I like to know that you're showing exactly what you promise to show. Okay, new packaging. Oh, it's shiny and it's made in Ireland, not England. I don't know if it's the difference. So this is mascara. It actually smells different. Okay, let's... Don't forget to open your mouth, right? When you apply mascara, you have always open your mouth. This is the rule of correct application. So one layer. Or do you... Okay, let's do both. Maybe because it's new, it doesn't... Actually, it's usually vice versa. When it's new, it has more mascara on the brush. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So I only paid, I think, $12 Canadian or under 15. I'll check the price and I'll add a link to the description. Oh, wow. So for this price, these are the lashes. Not bad. I like it. Great, I found my favorite mascara. Love it. See you soon. So while I'm here, I decided to show you the lipstick that I use. So I usually don't wear lipstick because I have 2 little kids and I kiss them a lot and they kiss me a lot. But now, when I feel like having lipstick, I need to make sure it doesn't stain and it stays on the whole day, even longer. If I don't take it, like I mean, if I don't clean it in the evening, then it can stay overnight as well. So when I want my red lips look red, this is what I use. It's called Long Lasting Lip Marker, a red color, Gosh brand. I actually bought it like long time ago. I don't even know if they sell it still, because I bought it unbelievably, like, yeah, before kids. It's easy to apply. It's like a marker. It almost doesn't smell. It has like very light scent, and it's very easy. You just apply it like a marker. It's like you draw a line and fill it in. So the first, I think, yes, it stains a little bit in the beginning, and then so yeah, I'll show you. And it stays on the whole day. And what I love about it, because I hate feeling makeup, just the feeling that something is on your face or on your lips especially, it doesn't feel. This mascara, sorry, this lipstick, this marker, it doesn't feel at all. And it has some very light, sweet taste to it. Maybe it will last for a couple minutes and then it will go away. Yeah, this is how it looks. and it doesn't stay. I mean, it doesn't stain, and it stays. So I have my new mascara on and my red lipstick, and I'm ready to go to work.